Welcome students. Today we discuss about natural resources, forest and wildlife. Natural resources are gifts of nature like air, water, soil, forest and wildlife. We depend on them for our daily needs. Forest and wildlife are important natural resources of India. Different types of natural resources. Natural resources can be divided into two types: exhaustible and inexhaustible. Natural resources that are limited and which get reduced in quantity as they are used are called exhaustible or non-renewable resources. Example of such resources are coal and petroleum. Some resources such as air, water and sunlight are always available in plenty in nature. Resources like forest and animal can be renewed. These resources are called inexhaustible or renewable resources. After that, we discuss about forest resources. So, a forest is a large area of land thickly covered with trees. In India, about 1/5 of the land is covered with forest. They are an important natural resources are useful to us in many ways. We all know that a forest is a large area of land covered with trees, and some important side of forest like forest gives us oxygen, wood, fruits, medicine and paper, and roots of trees prevent soil erosion, and forest bring rain, keep the air clean and make the land fertile. And now we can divide forest in different types. Number 1, evergreen forest that green throughout the year, and number 2, deciduous forest that trees shed leaves in summer. Number 3, thorny and scrub forest that found in dry areas, and number 4, mangrove forest that grow in coastal areas, and number 5 is montane forest and coniferous forest that found in the hilly region. Now we discuss how we conserve forest resources. We all know that cutting too many trees is called deforestation, and deforestation causes soil erosion, floods and less rainfall. To conserve forest, plant more trees, protect forest animals. Government runs programs like Ban Mahotsav, social forestry, agroforestry, etc. And now we discuss about wildlife or wildlife resources. So wildlife includes animals, birds, fishes and insects. They maintain balance in nature. Example, tiger, lion, elephant, deer, peacock, etc. Hunting animals for skin, tusk and horns is harmful. Wildlife is protected in national parks and sanctuaries. From animals, we can get milk, meat, wool and honey, etc. and help in seed dispersal and pollination, and they keep nature's food chain balanced and adds beauty and variety to our environment also. Some famous national park and sanctuaries are Sundarban in West Bengal, Kaziranga in Assam, Corbett in Uttarakhand, Bandipur in Karnataka, Gir in Gujarat. These places protect wildlife in their natural homes. So, up to this for today's class. Next, we will discuss about another natural resources. Please like, comment and share. Thank you.